are in the F8 Tributo Ferrari. This one is my good friend's car. It was slammed on Novatec springs, had Forgiato wheels. He wanted to go back to stock wheels because the car's putting down a lot of power and he drives pretty fast, so he felt more comfortable on the stock wheels. We went ahead, powder coated them gloss black, got some spacers, slapped them on. But really the main thing we did here is a wrap, full satin black wrap. This car looks insane in satin black, most cars do, but a F8 satin black is insane. Looks perfect on this car. I know it was black before, but doing this simple satin black changes it up completely. Beautiful red interior, of course, to match. We left a little bit of accents on the outside, gloss black mirrors, several different areas of the cars to match also the wheels. It's tuned, it's very loud, very fast. This is probably one of my favorite Ferraris currently, honestly. The F8 is a really, really dope car. So, on to the next one.
Ferrari gone to the customer's house. Super nice. He's going to be excited.
Alright guys, we got a Dodge Charger Hellcat in. This car's been here before. We've done some work on it. We are doing a wrap right now. It's going to be a satin dark gray finish. We've done it quite a few times. This car belongs to Fluffy, one of our longtime supporters, fans, clients.
Good quality plumbing. Bring your car, you're gonna be here a little while. You wanna make sure that the deuces go bye-bye.
Great guy. If you guys don't know, he's a big time comedian, been around the block a long time. Watch his stuff, really, really funny. Whenever he comes in, we have a blast. This car, fully taken apart. We're doing jams and everything. It's always tough doing jams when there's 4 doors involved because you got to take them off, do all that stuff. But we did it the right way. The car color came out really, really dope. He's coming to pick it up. We're ecstatic for him to come by. He's a big fan, so he's been rocking our masks. We have a lot of fun when he comes in, so we're looking forward to him arriving. Slides a lot, right? Mm-hmm. So these are literally the definition of luxury slides.
What? And I just want everybody to know, hey, I got my official RDB mask. I don't want people thinking I showed up here like at Costco with no mask. Like, what's wrong with him? I was covered up. And they said everybody's safe here. We've all been tested for COVID and whatever else happens here on Hollywood. But I'm gonna break in my slides right now. Man, it's a 12, huh?
Yeah, the fit?
Oh, shoot.
It's leather, so it's gonna expand a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Dude, that's style right there.
If the shoe doesn't expand, I'm gonna expand, so.
This is the 13, but this is the black one. So you got carbon fiber right here and all that. You wanna, I mean, I could give you this if it fits better for you.
Of course, the bigger one's black, right? Okay. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is.
It's quick.
The bigger one's black.
Like
it fits
zero,
perfectly.
Zero writing. It's like right
huh?
there.
You didn't know I wore a Magnum, did you? Look at that. That's perfect. I show up here, got my car done, I got my mask. You guys don't even want to know. They hooked up snacks.
Oh my God.
I didn't have to touch the vending machine like last time.
That is true. Wow, that was a long time ago.
Right,
Blacks are good for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Perfect.
Don't say it like that, man. I'm gonna get in trouble. All right, people. That's right. I'm going back into society. I want to let you know I'm ready. That's right. I got my black mask now. Fluffy Ninja out.
Okay, so we have an Audi S4 here. This car came in here with a check engine light. Car misfiring really bad. One of the injectors are bad, so we just have a brand new injector in already. So we're gonna put the supercharger back, assemble the whole car, get it ready, test it, make sure it's good. I like the whole hanger thing. It's cool. So you're using your closed hangers to lift the supercharger. Pretty cool.
It works.
It's called proper tools. Okay, what do I do?
Align it.
Oh, okay, I got it. I got it.
Good job, Moses.
Good job.
You did something right today.
Yeah. As you guys know, this car had an injector problem, sorry. So we're on a test drive. I just want to make sure we're good. We don't have any more misfires. I am a big Audi fan. I used to have an Audi. I've had like 2 or 3 actually, but not this one. This is an S4, which is much better than mine. I had an A4. These are fun cars to drive. They look nice. My last Audi I didn't get rid of because I wanted to. I got in an accident actually. It was a pretty scary one. So the car was totaled. So basically that's what happened with that one. And then after that I fell in love with my 94 Camry. As soon as I got in an accident I called Vic. Vic was close by. It was after work actually, we're going home. And it was in the right lane, so it was a fast lane and I was going a little bit too fast. So he came and we got the car towed and that was the end of that. This guy's looking at us in a very weird way. You okay?
It's your fault. Because you're so handsome like your partner. The people looking at you and...
Lewis is with us and he's telling me that I'm handsome, which is very nice of you. Thank you, Lewis.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
Alright guys, it's official. RDB Shoes has launched. Go on the website now, rdbshoes.com. We have 4 styles with different colorways of each. Everything is limited to 100 pairs only. We already sold a bunch on the pre-launch. There's only a few pairs left of different colors and styles, so get on there. Obviously your shoes, there's a lot of different sizes, so we tried to cover as many sizes as we could. So it is super limited. I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box. This is right here how you get it. RDB Shoes on the top. You open her up. You have this awesome RDB Shoes folder right here, which is in satin black with the gloss black, just like we do a lot of the cars, just like the F8 actually you see on this episode, satin black, gloss black. You open this bad boy up, you get this insane card that has little RDBs in chrome, and then boom, you got my personalized signature with a note. You got extra laces, you got a shoe bag in there to keep the shoes in there, and then you got your shoes under here. You get this tag off right there, and boom, shoes. These are the asphalt runners. We call it asphalt because right here is the color of asphalt. These shoes, obviously, as all of our shoes, feature carbon fiber right there and in the back. So carbon fiber sides in there. It's a real carbon fiber. This is real Vibram sole. We didn't go for some cheap rubberized sole or whatever. This is high-end soles. Red bottoms on this. Vibram also on the bottom. Super, super amazing brand if you guys didn't know. Vibram. Take that out. Yellow laces on this. It also comes with gray laces, but the yellow laces really look dope with the interior. Obviously, you guys have already seen me talk about this. It has perforated leather interior. Everything is made out of leather, calfskin, perforated leather, carbon fiber. I mean, it's literally the highest end you could get. A lot of guys are thinking, oh, RDB's making shoes. They don't think it's gonna be super high end like this, but it is. These things could beat all of those designer pairs in quality. Honestly, it's insane. I have all the designer shoes at my house, and I'm telling you guys now, these shoes are amazing. I've been wearing them, sampling them for months, if not a year already, and they work really well. Let me show you guys also the insole. It is Ortholite insoles. They're very tightly in there. Just to show you guys, it says Ortholite. So even the insoles we spent money on, everything is literally highest quality available on there. So these fit really well. They're a little bit high side, so you get a lot of traction, a lot of comfort. when you're stepping on anything with these shoes. So these are our runner sneakers. I've gone to the gym with these. You could do so much with these shoes. We have them in 3 colorways, obviously. The all white and the red and white and the asphalt. So get on there and check them out.